Hello, everyone. In today's topic, we're going to be discussing RVM, our Records Verification Management. This is designed for records to be uploaded into the system and to be verified by your document control manager or your document control technician. So to get started, obviously, we need to get connected to the system. So let's do that and let's log in. So we're going to be looking at the RVM plugin, which is right here. And this is for records verification management. This is a quite simple plugin for your InterlinkIQ system. You can customize your departments to manage your records and digitize your records. And this is really designed for facilities that are still paper-based and that want to start uploading their quality control forms or records, so be made available during audit or during review. So it's really quite simple. Let's take a look at of how to upload one, and then we're going to view an example. So in this particular part of it is you can select what department it is. For example, this is a quality record. You can type in the record name here. Let's say it's a quality control forms or a GMP form. You can put a description. We can customize these for you. These are kind of just our basic practices. Is the form filled out correctly? Yes or no? Is it signed or initialed? Sometimes people tend to forget to initial or sign their documents. Is it compliance? Is it compliant to the intended use? So if this is a GMP form, is it compliant to that practice? If it's a production form, etc. So you're going to click yes or no that you did take a look at that. The frequency of collection for this particular form, is it a daily form? Is it weekly, monthly? So it depends on the form, and these are customizable. There are forms that needs to be collected on an hourly basis or at the end of the day or at the end of the week. So we can customize this for you. Upload the document. This is where you're gonna choose the file and upload that record. Obviously, either you took a photo of it, you scanned it, or it was basically emailed to you from another department, however that worked, from your user. You're gonna put the document date here. And then who verified it. In this case, let's say it was Quincy Quality or Cindy Compliance as part of our characters in the Quincy Quality AVA world here. So this verified by, once you are interlinked into the system, this will pull from your authorized collaborator for this particular document. So once you're done, obviously you're going to submit it, and it's going to be in part of the system here. So let's kind of take a look at the view. Now, before we look at that, you can view per department. For example, this is your logistic department. They have uploaded one form, so you can actually take a look at that, and the form will pop up. You can take a look at that, like they did an internal audit, so you can actually see that here. And then you can see the record name, if it was filled out, signed, frequency, compliance, all of the things that you filled out. Now, like I said, these are customizable for your intended process. We have clients that if the answer was no, there will be a corrective action. It would interlink back to the person that performed this particular quality control or this checklist in this matter, for them to fix it, basically saying, hey, you missed some parts of this. I need you to go back and either reperform it and document it properly and send it back to the system. So that's kind of cool. Either way, we will, the way your intended process, just let us know. You can view all of it. So if you're the document control manager, you can see what was uploaded that day, and you can kind of take a look at that. So let's kind of do another example of the laboratory, lab equipment calibration form here. So once again, it's the same thing. So you can take a look at it. Here's your calibration forms that needed to be filled out, etc., etc. Okay, so once again, this system is based on a paper-based system that you can still have control and uploading it here to comply with your regulatory requirements, accreditation and certification requirements for your system, whatever your system element or quality system or quality management system that you are managing. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. Once again, like I said, if you need any assistance, just simply click on the request button. This will pop up. Just fill it out, and submit it, and our internal coordinators and support team will be able to assist you as soon as possible. All right. Thanks, everybody, and see you on the next segment. Bye for now.